I'm Nikki, your host, and I'm super excited to share my passions with you. Grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of Nikki's lifestyle.
How was our day going? Oh, good. This evening we want to do what they call granola. This granola is a game changer. It's not normal granola you know. I'm producing it for 2 of my customers. So stay tuned. Let's get there. So inside my pot, I don't have the oven, so I'm using my pot. Inside my pot, I will take my almond seed. I'll toast my almond seed. Just lower the heat of your gas on stove. Just toast in a lower heat. So we are toasting is our cashew nut. I told you that this one is a game changer. It's a special order from 2 of my customers. So I'm not doing it like normal one. The next thing we are toasting is our oats, our rolled oats. Please, if you want to do this, I'm going to give you the big seed. You know what oat is all about. So we are toasting our oats now. The next thing we are toasting is our child seed and fruit grade seed. That's why I tell you that this one is a game changer. It's an order, so that's why I'm adding this to. It's an order, a special order. And here we have our mixture of coconut oil, honey, ginger, cinnamon, and bits of pinch of salt. That is what we have here: coconut oil, honey, ginger, cinnamon, and pinch of salt. So that is what we have here. So when our oats finish toasting, we are going to pour it inside before we pour other ingredients that we have toasted before. You can see our oats is toasting. Now we are going to put our mixture of coconut oil, honey, cinnamon, and ginger and pinch of salt. We are going to put it inside, then turn it together and toast it for about 15 minutes again. As you can see, our oats are toasted. The next thing we put now is all the ingredients we toast before. And 10 minutes again. See our granola. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing our granola? So we have to allow it to cool down before I package it. You see, I told you that this one is a game changer. See that 2 things I put, that child seed and that food grade seed. And it's a game changer for men and also for women, sure. For men and for women. And if you need it, don't hesitate to call the number on the screen. Thank you. I love you all. Shalom. Okay guys, see our granola. It has cooled down, so it's now time for us to pack it. As I said, it's a special order for 2 of my clients. It's good for men and women. The ingredients I put on it reduce also blood pressure. It's good for men and women. See what we get from that. See what we get from the production of granola we did. The game changer for men and women. Okay, now see you guys.